Hello and welcome to your latest Daily Energy Report. I'm Ben Lack. A Canadian wind project is underway to add 104 megawatts of energy to the Canadian market. Vestas has chosen to provide the wind turbines for the initiative, and the company has also been contracted for a 10-year service and maintenance agreement. So far this year, Vestas has already supplied over 1,000 turbines to Canada for a total of 1,683 megawatts of wind power generating capacity. However, the company has not specified the buyer for this particular contract, saying only that it is a Canadian wind facility. The Twin Cities Clean Cities Coalition, based in St. Paul, Minnesota, is the nation's top program according to the Department of Energy's rankings. The city has displaced more than 135 million gallons of gasoline between 2005 and 2009. The Clean Cities program was developed by the DOE to facilitate the entry of alternative fuel vehicles and reduce cities' dependence on foreign oil imports. Minnesota has over 360 ethanol blend stations, more than any other state, and was also the first state to require a 5% biodiesel blend. The nation's first offshore wind farm has received all nods to begin construction this fall. The controversial Cape Wind project off Nantucket, Massachusetts Sound has received approval from the Department of the Interior for its 130 offshore wind turbines. Gaining this approval took the better part of 10 years because of concerns voiced about possible environmental harm as a result of the turbines. Another issue brought up by the late Senator Ed Kennedy was the ruining of the landscape's aesthetic appeal and the lowering of property value for real estate near the wind farm's tall turbines. An additional $130 million is being allocated to the ARPA-E project to develop 5 additional clean energy projects. One of the projects involves the production of more efficient plants that can yield greater biofuel production to make the option cost competitive with oil. Another project aims to improve high-energy thermal storage, as over 90% of energy technologies involve thermal energy transport. Another research goal will work to find substitutes for increasingly expensive rare earth minerals used in equipment such as electric vehicle motors. That's your Daily Energy Report. To learn about these stories and more, please visit us at dailyenergyreport.com, and also make sure to check out our podcast on iTunes. Unfortunately, we run out of time for today, but please make sure you check us out tomorrow to see your latest Daily Energy Report. Thanks for watching and have a great day.